Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Ease podcast, the show where you learn English the easy way, one friendly conversation at a time. I'm Amelia, your English guide.
And I'm Anna. It's always great to spend time with you and help you practice real English step by step.
Anna, how's your day so far?
Pretty good. I actually went shopping for clothes yesterday.
Perfect. That's exactly what we're learning today. Shopping for clothes. Here's what we'll do. We have 20 small parts to guide you from easy vocabulary to natural conversations. Listen carefully and repeat to practice pronunciation.
By the end, you'll know how to ask for help, talk about sizes, colors, and prices. Everything you need for a real shopping trip.
Repeat after us. Shirt, pants, dress, skirt, jacket, sweater, shoes, socks, hat, coat.
Nice job. Keep your voice clear. Don't worry if skirt sounds tricky. Practice slowly.
Colors first. Red, blue, green, black, white.
Now sizes. Small, medium, large, extra large. Native speakers often say medium, like medium.
Here are polite questions. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? Where can I find... Do you have this in size medium?
Using excuse me makes you sound friendly.
When you want to know the price, say, how much is this? Or, what's the price of this shirt? Answer examples. It's $20. It cost $15.99. Practice numbers. 20, 35, 49.
Amelia, do you enjoy shopping for clothes?
Yes, but I always spend too much time choosing colors.
Same here. I can look at jackets for an hour. Customer, excuse me, where are the shirts? Shop assistant, they're on the second floor next to the jackets. Repeat slowly after us. Customer, do you have this sweater in medium? Shop assistant, yes, let me check in the back. Notice the polite word let. It's very common. When you want to try something, say, can I try this on? Or, where's the fitting room? Native speakers sometimes say changing room instead of fitting room. Use these phrases. It looks great on you. I like the blue one better. This one is too big.
Be honest but kind when shopping with friends. If something is expensive, you can say, that's a little expensive. Do you have a cheaper one? You can also ask, is there a discount today?
When you're ready to buy, I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Cash. Please. Native speakers sometimes say, I'm all set, to mean I'm ready to pay.
I always forget my wallet when I go shopping.
Oh no, that's why I always keep a card in my phone case.
Good idea. Actually, talking about shopping makes me thirsty. Always finish with, thank you for your help. Have a nice day.
Polite words make shopping more pleasant for everyone.
Let's slow down tricky words. Repeat after me. Shirt, skirt, price, cheaper.
Great. Pay attention to the R sounds.
Let's act out a shopping scene. I'll be the customer. Anna will be the shop assistant.
Ready? Listeners, repeat each line after us. Excuse me, how much is this jacket?
It's $40.
I'll take it, please.
Excellent practice. Tip 1. Always say please and thank you. Tip 2. Listen carefully to numbers and repeat them. Tip 3. Smile. It makes communication easier.
And remember, it's okay to ask for a different size or color. Shops expect it.
Your challenge. Write 3 sentences about your last shopping trip in the comments. What did you buy? What color? What price?
Great job today. Subscribe to Learn English with Ease podcast for more fun, real-life English lessons.
See you next time. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone, and happy shopping.